Hi San Diego, it's Peter Boland again, letting you know about another upcoming series called 4 Weeks of Wisdom. I'm returning to Vision, a Center for Spiritual Living, and offering 4 Wednesday evenings in March, 4 2-hour lecture presentations with multimedia. And the purpose of this work is simply to drop all of the boundaries and barriers between the world's many, many avenues of wisdom seeking. Mythology, religion, philosophy, literature, art. Let's go wherever the path leads us to try to find those golden threads left for us by the ancients, reimagined and reapplied in every generation in order to enrich our lives and bring us all closer toward that promise that we feel calling us from within to become more, to be more, to have more, to give more. We are the universe's infinite abundance pouring forth in the field of time and form. That's what this is, this life. And you feel it, I feel it. There's something rich and beautiful at stake. Let's explore that together. So visit peterboland.com, go to the calendar page, look at the titles and the dates and all of that stuff, and consider registering for 1, 2, 3, or all 4 of these series in March. Namaste, and I really am grateful for your watching this video and considering joining us. Thanks.